In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit text in Figma. Start by heading over to Figma and opening the file where you want to work. Once your canvas is visible, make sure you're in the Design tab so you can access the right-hand sidebar. That's where most of the text controls live. If you don't see the sidebar, expand it so you can easily adjust settings without hunting around. Next, add a text layer to your canvas. Select the Text tool from the top toolbar, or press the T key as a shortcut. Click once to create point text, then type your content. If you prefer a text box with wrapping, click and drag to draw a text area before typing. Either way works. The important thing is, you now have a text layer selected on the canvas. To edit how that text looks, head to the Typography section in the right sidebar. Make sure the text layer is selected. You'll see the typography controls appear. This panel is your control center for all appearance settings. You can keep editing the words on the canvas by double-clicking, but for styling, the sidebar is faster and more precise. Now, scan through the text properties in the typography section and change what you need. Work from top to bottom so you don't miss anything. Click directly on each value to adjust it and watch the canvas update in real time. If something looks off, just undo and try a different value. Small tweaks can make a big difference in readability and hierarchy. You can modify the font family to choose a different typeface and set the font weight for emphasis. Adjust the font size to match your layout scale, and use line height to control how spaced out multi-line text feels. Auto is a good starting point, but a fixed value can create consistent rhythm. Letter spacing tightens or opens the text for better legibility, especially at large or small sizes. Alignment lets you set left, center, right, or justified text depending on your layout. You can also change paragraph spacing to manage the gap between paragraphs and apply text case or decoration options when needed. If you see missing fonts, pick a close alternative to keep your design consistent. That's it. You've gone to Figma, added a text layer, opened typography, scanned the properties, and adjusted fonts, sizes, and other key settings. With these controls, you can quickly create clear, consistent text styles across your designs. Save your file, and you're ready to keep building.